Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In not today's newspaper. No. It's the Wednesday edition. Wednesday, August the 25th, 2021. And today it's actually Monday, August the 30th, 2021. And today we have no extra Sudokus or puzzles or additional. So I've decided to solve the Wednesday edition because the Thursday edition is already solved. And the Friday, there was no Friday additional. So yeah. This one should be the Wednesday edition, yes. And this will be, the Tectonic with 1 star, will be number 3320. 3320, yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 19. Okay. So it should be an easy one. For an easy, yeah. Because it's a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. I've told you earlier, yes, 50 minutes. For a 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And for a really 4 stars, those 4 stars puzzles are rare, you know. Once a while, 4 stars, but if it's a really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here we have a single box. More single boxes here? No. Dual boxes. I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already filled in this dual box, so this box is left for the number 2. More dual boxes here? No. Triple box. I see here the triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, but I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. But if you see a triple box, the inside box, this box is the inside box. It contains the 4. No, it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, or cannot be a 3. So 2 digits left, the 4 or the 5. Okay. More triple boxes here? No. Then the quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? The quadra boxes. Let me see if there are quadra boxes here. Let me check. Check. No quadra boxes. So the next stage is to recognize some shapes or figures or structures or structures or construction, whatever, you name it. Yes. So the first shape is the L shape. Here we have an L shape. Let me draw this. The L shape. And remember the L shape. We have here the L shape with 5 boxes, not 4, but 5. And this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. This box is a 2. Okay, so let me draw this. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, more L shapes. Here, another one, upside down. So this box has always the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay. This shape, remember that this box is always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes in this triple box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Oh, here another one. Also 3 pieces. Yes. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following figure, this figure. Let me draw this. Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, so this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then, let me check. Are there other shapes that you need to recognize? No. Those are the shapes that you need to recognize for solving this puzzle. There are only 3 of them that you need to recognize. There are more shapes or construction or structures or figures, but in this puzzle we have 3 of them. So the next step is, let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. Then 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here, because this box, it's reserved for the 4 or the 5. So this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. One of the missing number in this area is the number 1. Well, we have a 1 here, so those 2 boxes can be 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes as a pair in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so 1 digit left in this area for the number 1. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround 1 cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright. Let me think. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes 4 and 5. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Then yeah. Okay, these two boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. Then this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. The difficult part. Yeah. Okay, this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2, but also that box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. Then that means that this box cannot be 4 or 5, because we have a double 4 here and double 5 here. It cannot be a 3, cannot be a 1, so 1 digit left should be a 2. So those two boxes in this L-shaped area should be 4 or 5. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Alright. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 3. Okay. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Okay, this box can be a 5, so the 5 goes in those two boxes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 5, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so it cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Okay, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Those two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Correct? Faster than 15 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, for the binaries, for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus or puzzles. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Yes. See you then. Bye bye for now.